Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. Today we're going to be running through the registration process on the BEF platform. And to start off, navigate to the BEF website and then click the register button up here. You'll then be asked to provide details on your organization, the billing details, the account manager, and your BEF account credentials. Once at the user credentials section, we recommend the following. For your account username, which is an email, we recommend a dedicated email address is created and used for your username. Once your account is registered, you won't be able to change this. Therefore, we recommend a dedicated email address. In this example, we've used registry@demoorganizationx.com. You'll then be asked to provide a password and a PIN. After this, you then need to input a recovery phrase. This recovery phrase is used in the event that you forget your password or your PIN. Now, before proceeding, ensure that you've saved a copy of this recovery phrase. We highly recommend you make more than one copy. Once ready, click the Continue button. We then ask that you read and accept the following terms and conditions. And then once ready, click the Register button. Now, while this is processing, please do not refresh the page. It can take between 10 seconds to a minute. Once complete, you'll then be asked to confirm your email. Please go to the email address used for your account username to view the verification code. Once you have the code, input it here. Now, if for some reason the code doesn't come through, or you failed to do this within 5 minutes, that code will no longer be valid. So please click the resend code to get a new code. Once ready, click the submit button. There you have it, your email has been confirmed. Once your email has been confirmed, you'll then move on to the ID verification stage. This should be completed by the account manager or the individual responsible for your account. An account manager and user must be at least 18 years old to access the BEF platform. First, provide your date of birth, the chosen issuing country for your ID document, and select the ID type. Once ready, click the Save and Continue button. Before moving forward, it's also worth mentioning that if you wish to delay this process, you can click the Logout button here. Now, the next time you try to log in, it will take you back to this page and will keep doing so until you've completed the ID verification stage. So let's continue. We're going to click the Save and Continue button. And we have an option in this case to either take a picture of the ID or upload an image. I've already uploaded some mock images. Now, in this case, I've uploaded them and I need to complete that by clicking this Upload button here. What will happen is we'll get a notification that the upload has been completed. Do that for both sides and then click the Save and Continue button. Please note that there is a button here which says Go Back, which you can click to go back different stages in the process. The final is a selfie. Now, this will be completed if you have a built-in camera into your laptop or computer. In the event you don't have this, then please click the I cannot take a selfie button here, which will provide instructions for you to complete. Once you've taken the selfie and uploaded it, you'll then be able to submit it, and that would have completed the ID verification process. At this point, the BEF team can then conduct their due diligence on your account and the account manager and make a decision as to whether your registration can be approved. And that's it. That is the registration process for the BEF platform.